Guess who's back on YouTube? So before we have a look at the Beamer and see what I've done to it so far, just let you know we're actually going stage 2 on it. So I bought all the stuff. We've actually done my cousin's as well. We're both going stage 2. So he's had all the stuff fitted to his. So yeah, you're going to get to see like the intercooler, charge pipes, etc. being fitted to it. So let's have a look at it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Well, it's been a while since I've done this. We're in the garage again. It's got to be a year at least a year. COVID, lots of stuff's gone on, man, lots of stuff. But yeah, we're basically taking the Beamer to stage 2. So this is the stuff we're going to put on there. So have a look at this. So we've got some charge pipes, we've got the induction kit, intercooler. I'm just going straight to stage 2 of it. We've already done my cousin's ready. So yeah, check it out. Yeah, it's good to be back, isn't it? It's good to be back, yeah. Yeah, lots of things have happened, mine, since being away. Like this, look. But anyway, tonight I'm just getting it ready. I'm going to take the bottom tray off the car, and yeah, I think my cousin's coming over Saturday morning and we're going to check it all on. So yeah, let's crack on in. Well, good morning. It is the next day. Last night I managed to get the intercooler off, charge pipes. There's the old one. It's a bit tricky on your own, but it's not too bad. It's manageable. Well, here's the new intercooler, a lot bigger. The charge pipes. But it's mad what crap is in the car. All this fell out and fell in my mouth. I know a lot of people say chat shit, like some crap comes out of it, but here we are. So, time to crack on and we'll get it all on. See you in a bit. Oosh, so it's about an hour later now, it's all done. To be honest, it wasn't that bad. If you're competent to fitting stuff like this, then you'll be able to do it, unless you're a blessed weirdo like me who can lay his hand to anything, which is pretty good. But yeah, it's all done. So it's all on. I reckon taking the intercooler and the charge pipes off and the air filter, blah blah blah, and then refitting. I got that fucking mental thing going, can't get my words out. I'm new to all this again, ain't I? So from taking everything off and refitting everything, I reckon probably just over an hour. It wasn't that bad. So like I said, if you're competent enough to work on it, it's pretty easy to do. So yeah, that's that. Next is to take it for a spin and see what it's like, because we've done my cousin's, and yeah, make some nice sounds on MST induction. So right then, time for a shower and we'll take you for a spin. So we're having the first drive with the MST air filter on. So you get my reactions. I don't know if you can see me. Well, so let's have a listen to it. I don't know if you can hear that. It's like an old dump valve, really. Sticking the intercooler on and the charge pipes on the induction kit. I don't know if that'll make any difference. I have no idea. So we're having the first drive with the MST air filter on.